Hey everyone, I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you a piece of kit that I was lucky enough to get to use at BET this year. And that is Class in a Box. And it is exactly what it says it is. I'm wearing it at the moment. Everything comes in this tiny little box, and it's a really, really handy tool, particularly for hybrid learning. So basically, you get this wearable, very comfortable microphone, which has got noise cancellation involved. We also get this little box, which is plugged into my HDMI, plugged into my USB on my computer. And there's a second cable here, which is run into an external camera, another webcam, which is just hanging above me here. But that could be absolutely anywhere, and you can run that anywhere you like. So the really cool thing about Class in the Box is it listens. So I'm able to be walking around my classroom or teaching, and particularly if I'm teaching in a hybrid environment, I might want to swap from my screen as I am now to be able to show something on my board or on a whiteboard or like a visualizer. So I can just simply use my voice and I can say, Class in the Box, camera. Oh, there we go. And we've swapped to the other camera. So I can now write on here. Obviously something deeply philosophical, cheese on toast. Love it. I can say Class in the Box, camera. There we go. And if I want to use a double screen, I can do that as well. So I can be on screen at the same time as my other camera, whether that's my screen, whether it's using it as a visualizer, whether that's focused on something else. So I can say Class in the Box, Duplo. And here we can see we've got both views. And if I want picture in picture, I can go CITB Duplo Mini. And there we go. I'm down here in the corner of my screen and everything else is large. And to go back to my main camera, I've just got to say CITB camera. There we go. Really, really simple. And there's lots more still to come from Class in the Box. So stay tuned.